I said I make they leave my husband because of cheating.
Sonia Uche. Sonia Uche. How many times I call you? Men are not worth to die for. If you find out that your man is cheating on you, my girlfriend, move. Seriously. Why will you condone cheating? Before you know it now, your man will be telling you, cheat back, cheat back. The best thing you should do when you find a man cheating is to move. Oh.
I said I make they leave my husband because of cheating.
My sister. Hello. I didn't with you.
Because my own is that it's not as if like Chiche said something that you cannot come and be bringing girls maybe to the house and then you be seeing all those things. My own is not like that. I'm not saying don't disrespect. Respect is what I would really love in a marriage or in relationship. But if I come and hear somebody coming to tell me, Sonia, I saw your boyfriend or I saw your husband, auntie, why are you not telling me? Okay, if I now leave him and I'm going to another person, what if the person is now worse than my husband?